In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. When you first open Wrike, you'll be greeted by your main workspace, where all of your projects are listed. This is your dashboard, your command center for managing everything related to your work. So to start adding a new project, look for your current projects on this screen. Now, find the specific project or folder that's relevant to the new project you want to create. Once you locate it, look for the three dots icon next to it. This is your options menu. When you click on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a variety of options to choose from. Next, from that menu, you want to select the Add Item option. This step is crucial because it directs Wrike to understand that you want to include something new under the selected folder. After you've clicked on Add Item, a new set of options will pop up. Here you'll want to choose Project. By selecting this, you're telling Wrike that you want to create a new project specifically rather than just an ordinary task or another type of item. Now, once you've chosen that, a dialog box will open up prompting you to name your new project. Here's where you get to unleash your creativity. Think about the core objective of this new sub-project. What is it all about? Be concise but descriptive enough so that anyone who looks at it understands what it's focused on. For example, instead of just naming it Project A, consider something more specific like 2023 Marketing Campaign Launch to make it instantly clear. Once you've inputted a meaningful name, look down to the bottom right corner of the dialog box. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. This action solidifies your choices and sets your new project in motion. Like magic, your new project will generate instantly and appear right inside the folder structure you selected earlier. This means it's now part of the categorized workspace, ready for you to start adding tasks, assigning team members, and tracking progress. And that's it. You've successfully added a project to Wrike. It's a quick and easy process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find that managing your projects becomes much more streamlined. Remember, the naming of your project is important. It helps you and your team to quickly identify what is being worked on and keeps everything organized. So to recap, we started from your main workspace, navigated to your desired folder, opened the project options via the three dots, selected Add Item, chose Project, named it, and finally clicked on Create. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Happy project management.